Today, I'm going to talk to you about the best food for making you sharper. There are food that actually can help you have a better memory, better brain, and reduce your risk of Alzheimer's decades later. Food really does make a difference. But before I tell you what to eat, I'd like to tell you what not to eat. Actually, the first thing you need to do is to avoid eating too much. A bigger belly is associated with a smaller brain. I know it's bad, but it is true. Many studies have shown that the bigger your belly, the smaller the brain, especially the part of the brain for memory that's called hippocampus. So don't eat too much. And it's the belly fat that's bad, not the fat below the waist. Also avoid trans fat. If you look at some food and you think it's not good for you, it's probably not good for you. So these include donut, french fries, cupcake, cookies. You can have them once in a while, but don't make it a routine part of your diet. Too much alcohol is really bad for your brain, as we talked about last week, but 1 or 2 glasses on weekends is okay. Too much alcohol can shrink your brain. Now, let's talk about the food that is good for your brain. You need to eat a Mediterranean diet. Mediterranean diet is high in fruits, vegetables, fish, bread, grains, nuts, and it's better to eat a low-carb diet and high-protein diet. And so this is the kind of diet that I eat and I recommend to my patients. The one supplement I recommend to all my patients, and I take it myself, is omega-3 fatty acids. You want to take DHA, EPA, which are the omega-3 fatty acids that are good for your brain, at a dose of roughly about 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams. The one that I recommend to my patients is from Nordic Natural. It's called Ultimate Omega. It's fairly inexpensive and it's really good for your brain. It's good for people's brains at any age. I actually did a study and I found out that people who have higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids are less likely to develop Alzheimer's disease. The other examples of brain healthy food are things that increase blood flow to your brain. These include tomatoes, beets, avocado, and actually one of the best things for the brain are strawberries. Sorry. The other food that's really good for your brain, strawberries are really good, are things that increase B12 levels. These include egg, milk, and poultry. If you want to take other supplements, I recommend you consider vitamin D, curcumin, and vitamin B12. If you're a vegetarian, you should definitely check your B12 levels and make sure that you're normal. If they're not, you should take B12 supplements. In summary, people who eat a healthy diet keep their brains sharper for many years to come and can reduce the risk for Alzheimer's disease by 30 to 50%. People who have a poor diet and have a big belly develop smaller brains over decades and are more likely to develop Alzheimer's disease. So eating healthy is a no-brainer.